Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
District Governor Lainalu Gopalrao Garu, other dignitaries, honored of the dais, good evening. At the outset, I sincerely thank the DG team, all past district governors, micro, core, GAT team members, all the line members of this district for making my birthday yesterday with your warm wishes and blessings. Thank you very much. Coming to DCS report, membership, the district is having 78 clubs as on today. The opening balance as on 1st of July, the membership was 2,378. 315 members were added, 127 was dropped. The closing balance now is 2,566 with a net growth of 188. Congratulations to all the clubs. On the membership, the Prithvi region is having 601 members, Akash 427, Zel region 442, Pavan is 560, Surya region with 536, the total membership is 2,566. I'll just give some data. The growth in the club with the addition of more than 10 new members, Chanakya has added 12 new members, ECIL Elite 10 new members. Let us congratulate these clubs. Lions Club of Hyderabad Industrialist with 36, Lions Club of Uppal Metro 12 members, Lions Club of Hyderabad Meerpet with 10 members, and Secunderabad Gymkhana with 12 members. On the other side, the drop, which is not required for this district, still more than 10 members dropped clubs are Lions Club of Hyderabad Emerald 13 members, Tycoons 10 members, Siddhivinayak 16 members. As informed by our district governor, 2 new club application is pending. One is Kompalli Jayaperi and Hyderabad Medipatnam. As on today, I am sorry to say, 43 clubs have not reported the membership in my land. I request all the RCs, ZCs and cabinet members to motivate the clubs and ensure that the membership is reported in the My LCI as early as possible. Coming to services, District 320C as on today has served 1,25,108 people with an activity of 1,360 activities. The voluntary hours is 45,620. A small problem in the My Line during uploading the service activity by the clubs, instead of selecting Indian rupees, that is INR, some clubs are selecting US dollars. Because of that reason, the figures which is displayed in the My Line website is little bit erratic. As per the My Line record, fund donated is 1,54,000 US dollars, which is equivalent to 1.15 crore. Fund raised is 1.22 lakh dollars, which is 92 lakhs. So I request the region chairperson and zone chairperson, I have already communicated to GST coordinator. We have identified which club has made the mistake, so we will shortly rectify it. This is for the information of the cabinet members. The district governor has given a program lead. In the lead, the E is elevating service. Taking that elevating services, I'll just give some data on the global causes services rendered by many clubs. Taking diabetic, the total activity done by all the clubs is 6,553, environment is 18,936, childhood cancer is 7,530, hunger relief 41,526, vision 4,791, and other service activities are 45,772. The breakup on this elevating service, when you take diabetic, more than 400 screening done by Malkajgiri Central, 3000 screening, Tirmal Nagar 445, Gautam Nagar 450, Golden Jubilee is 400. Coming to environment, more than 500 trees plantation was done by Lions Club of Secunderabad Paradise 3000, Sneghapuri 1400, Chanakya 1300, Noble 1200, Mirpet 1144, Gautam Nagar 1100, Centennial Green City 777, ECIL Elite 545, Gymkhana 536, Bhagyanagar Green City, Hyderabad Bhavana and Sankalp, each 500 tree plantation has been done. Coming to childhood cancer, more than 200 childhood cancer screening was done by Gautam Nagar, Gymkhana, Malkajgiri, Hayat Nagar, Chanakya, Odupal Green, Hyderabad Central and Tirmal Nagar. Coming to vision, with the baseline of 250 screening, Mirpet, Tirmal Nagar, Krishna Nagar, Kamla Nagar Greater, Malkajgiri, Gymkhana, AS Rao Nagar and Uppal Metro. With the basic norm of 1000 hunger relief activities, 1000 beneficiaries, Gautam Nagar, Tirmal Nagar, Sitafal Mandi, Mirpet, Mother Teresa and AS Rao Nagar Century has done more than 1000 beneficiaries with hunger relief. All the 5 region chairpersons have completed their region bi-monthly meeting. 3 DG meets president program was conducted successfully. 4 region chairperson, zone chairperson review meeting was conducted. 53 clubs have taken DG official visit and 4 DG's official visit is already completed. 1 charternet has been completed. As far as the region meet is concerned, Prithvi region led by lead region chairperson Nanda Srinivas. Region meet is scheduled on 2nd January 2022. Akash region chairperson Harnath. 9th January 2022. Surya region led by Gampa Nageshwara Garu on 23rd January 2022. Pavan region headed by Lion Sugender Reddy Garu on 30th January 2022. 2 zone chairpersons, Vadde Chaitanya and Lion A. Ravikumar has already completed the zone social. For the information of the cabinet, 3rd cabinet meeting is scheduled on 28th January 2022. Thank you for patient listening. Thank you very much.